'n dame kontak my nou die dag per WhatsApp en sy vra vir my, "Hoe werk hierdie aanlyn besigheid van jou?" En ek verduidelik aan, sy sê vir my, "Wow, stop net eers. Moet ek enige iets koop en verkoop?" En ek sê vir haar, "Ja, dis besigheid. Besigheid is koop en verkoop. Dis handeldryf."
You
Dis
realize why most people never make money online is because they don't understand business. It cracks me up when somebody's like, I gotta sell the same thing over and over. Yeah, Verizon is a $17 billion a year company off of selling an Apple iPhone over and over and over again. Network marketing companies are successful by selling the same products. If you are a car dealership, you sell the same Ford over and over. You sell the same Porsche over and over again. If you're Target, you think I'm the only one that has this sweater? No, they have thousands of them in many different sizes and they sell it over and over. That's the part of selling. That is not your problem. It's not what you sell, it's how you market.
En die goeie ding is, terwyl jy opgelei word, begin jy al geld verdien. Earning while you're learning. En is jou besigheid, dis 'n eenman saak. Dis nie 'n piramide skema nie. Daar's niemand bokant jou en onderkant jou met wie jy winste of kommissie deel nie. 100% wins, jou geld in jou sak. Nou as jy meer hiervan wil weet, as jy regtig ernstig is om geld aanlyn te maak, WhatsApp my met die woord inligting en ek stuur vir jou al die inligting wat jy nodig het om goeie geld aanlyn te kan maak. My nommer verskyn op die skerm, spook langs my naam en in my bios by my profiel.